What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reek back with another video. Scold. This is my first score ever. Jordan 5 Retros. What does? I like them. Size 9, you know. Good little material on them. Got a mixture of all the top 5s in one. Bearlayer 5s, Shanghai 5s, Koi 45 5s, I think. Raging Bull on this side, lime green 5s as well, metallic as well, as you can see. It's focusing right there, the metallic right there, black metallic 5s. But yeah, it's pretty a mixture of all of them in one. Good material, whatnot, like I say. They look nice. Personally, honestly, I like them, but I might get rid of them. It's a nice shoe though.